Hey there. Tired of remembering monthly due dates? Setting up Autopay for your Amex card ensures your bill is always paid on time, protecting your credit score and saving you mental energy. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to set it up. Log into your Amex online account and go to the Payments tab. Look for Set up Autopay or Schedule Payments. You'll link your checking account and then choose your preferences: pay the minimum due, the statement balance, or a fixed amount each month. Finally, select the payment date, usually the due date itself. My crucial pro tip? Even with Autopay, review your statement every month. Autopay handles the payment, but you should still check your statement for errors, fraudulent charges, or to track your spending. It's a crucial safety and budgeting habit. Just like that, you automate a critical financial task and gain peace of mind. Do you use Autopay for all your bills, or just for credit cards? Share your approach in the comments. If tips that automate your finances help you, subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.